Function operations. Number 1. It is asking you to perform the function operation and then find a domain as the result. So let's take a closer look at it. So it is asking you to add the functions of f and g together. So let's add their expressions. So you have x minus 8 plus phi x squared. Now there are no like terms, so this here will be our answer. So let's type it in. So x minus 8 plus 3x squared. Now, what is the domain of functions of f plus g? So we can virtually substitute in any number for x and we'll get a real result. So we're going to say that the domain is all real numbers. And that's number 1. Going to number 3. It is asking you to perform the function operation and then find the domain of the result. So let's do that. So we are dividing f of x by g of x. So that looks like this. When we divide a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. The reciprocal of this is just x. So we multiply 3 minus x times x. So let's put that in. So I'm typing in x parenthesis 3 minus x. Now the domain. Since I have x in the denominator for g of x, that means 0 can't be in my domain. So that means my domain is going to be all real numbers except for 0 because I can't divide by 0. And that's number 3. Going to number 5. It is asking you to perform the function operation and then find a domain. So let's do that. So now we are multiplying f of x and g of x. So let's do that. So we have x plus 1 times phi x squared plus 7x plus 4. Distribute the x into everything, and you'll get phi x to the third plus 7x squared plus 4x. Multiply 1 by everything, and you get itself. Combine like terms, and we get phi x to the third plus 10x squared plus 11x plus 4. So let's type that in. So we have 3x to the third plus 10x squared plus 11x plus 4. Now the domain, since I could substitute anything in for x and get a true value as an output, it will be all real numbers for my domain. And that's number 5. Number 10. Find f of 0 when f of x equals 1 over 6x. When it says f of 0, it means you're substituting 0 in for x. So 1 over 6 times 0 is 0. And that's number 10.